Okay, let's start by getting rid of our spring decor. Okay, let's start by cleaning down some cobwebs. And I'm going to sweep off the porch a little bit. Okay, I added some leaves and sunflowers to our container here. And I added 2 little scarecrows and this little sign from the Dollar Tree. Just something to kind of spruce it up and make it look more like fall. Now we have to get rid of spring over here, and we'll have to put something different here. Okay, here's how I decided to do it. I put the stake in the hay bale. I added our pumpkins. Dad's going to add lights to them later, and I'll give you a snippet of the video after he's done. And then added the harvest sign. He's going to remove the patriotic stuff. Me and him will remove that this weekend. And I decided to move this sign over here. It says open daily. Corn, pumpkins, gourds, and apples, because we have an apple orchard and we also have a big garden. So Dad thought that was cute. I added my fall porch sign. I just have to find my wreath. A few little mums here in the front. Some are blooming and some are not. I planted some new ones. I had a really nice one here last year, a really big one, and I didn't have to replant it, and it kind of died back this winter. So I put some new ones in and give it a little more color here in the front. That was my addition for fall. Hello friends, this is the final reveal of our front porch. And this is a collaboration video. Our hosts are Marlena's How-Tos, Penny's Lifestyle Living, Andrea's Kitchen, A Cozy Lifestyle with Clarice, and Lorna's Decor. Please check out their channels and check out the description box for the playlist. Dad's showing you the scarecrows that we added to the porch. And playing with the girls' hands here. And showing you our containers. How we decorated them. And with the sign and the little scarecrows in the container, which you've seen us do at the beginning of the video. And showing that we decided to move the stacked pumpkin to the other side. And yes, we got out our goose, and we have her dressed as a scarecrow too on that side. Isn't she adorable? And there's our little sign that I put in there during the other one when I was working on the front porch. Oh, and looky here. We've got another scarecrow hiding back there in the corner. You know, he might just jump out and scare people when they come in the door or out of the door. He's really nice to cover up our lights that goes across the porch. We got a harvest sign on their porch leaner. And of course our bale of hay, or straw. And in one of these videos, I was waving out the window and he didn't like it, so he redid the video. Here is our beautiful fall wreath that I made on a video, which I'll have linked. I DIY'd that one myself, and it's on our front porch. I sell fall wreaths and Christmas wreaths in my Etsy shop under Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things. That's always in my description box. If you need a wreath, I sell them on Etsy, and they're available, and I ship all over the United States. Same way with tree toppers for your tree topper bow or bows of any kind. I custom make for anybody that needs them. This weekend we're going to a craft festival, and we also do that here in Ohio.